guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zoeshaaa, and today what I have for you guys is another DIY video. Yay! Our introduction so funny. Okay, all right, anyways, but back to our regular scheduled program. In today's DIY, because I'm moving and I want to decorate and stuff like that, I figured a lot of the things that I want to put up in my house would be stuff that I personally made or are personalized for both myself and my boyfriend. So what I'm going to make today, I've been looking for these things since I first moved, which was about 3 years ago, and I haven't really found anything actually, because I haven't purchased any to place up in my house. I'm talking about canvas art. So while looking around to see if there's any way that I could do it myself, I came across a few ideas, not a few certain ideas, a few ideas, and I decided that in today's video I'm going to show you one of these ideas, and then we're going to revisit this project later on somewhere down the line with different forms of canvas art that you can do. So let's get into it. Let's start. I'm excited about this one. So yeah, let's go and let's start this DIY. So for today's DIY, most importantly, what you're going to need is a beautiful canvas. It can be new or it can be one that you have that you just want to redo. I got mine at a dollar store for about $3. You're going to need some regular tape, some painter's tape, some glue. You're going to need spray paint. I haven't used other like acrylic paint or any other type of paint, but today we're going to use spray paint. I'm pretty sure if you wanted to use any other paint, it would work as well. So yeah, for mine I'm using spray paint. I have black and I have white. I think I said glue. Can't be too sure. A ruler, a paintbrush, a pencil, some glitter for mine, and a stencil as well. So let's get into this. Just gonna put down some newspaper. Let's make sure I don't get a mess on my good table and stuff. Okay. And then we're gonna take our canvas. I want mine to be the long way. So we're gonna take our canvas and we're gonna take our ruler, and I just want stripes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make some stripes using my ruler. Now that we've done making our lines, next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the painter's tape and I'm just going to cover every other spot, and whichever spot is blank, that's obviously the spot that we're going to start working on first. Right. Okay, tape, you want to be a little difficult there. Alright, let's go again. I guess if you want it to be easier, you can get some scissors just to cut off the excess tape. you tape everything off, your canvas should look like this. Come on. Cooperation is key. Come on, don't you want to be painted? So your canvas should look like this. So the green spots, I'm going to do white afterwards. First, I'm going to, I'm going to do white first, and then I'm going to do black. So what's green right now is going to be painted afterwards. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, sorry. Yeah, so what's green afterwards, what's green right now, I'm going to be spray painting afterwards. White or black? Wait, black. So yeah, so this is what it should be looking like right now. So let's get our spray paints. Oh. The spray paint that I'm using isn't any special brand. I went to Walmart actually and I got this. It was about $3. So yeah, so I'm just gonna spray paint it. And I'm gonna see how it dries to see if I need more than one coat. So let's go. So there's the first round of that. I'm just gonna let that dry off for a little bit, and then we'll revisit this in a second. All right, guys, so it's been about 5 minutes. First layer went on, the first coat, I guess I should say, went on, and I started off by just going in a little bit too close. So that's why these ones are taking a little bit longer to dry off. As you can see, the last one dried a lot quicker. So we're gonna go over this again, and yeah, I guess just hold the spray can as far away as possible, and yeah, so let's go again. And then we'll just wait another 5 minutes and we'll be back. We're back. Let's hope this isn't a fail and that this is actually dry. So now what we're gonna do, that the black, I'm only gonna do 2 coats. I just wanna, you know, show y'all. Don't worry if you pull off the tape and you see that the black or the first color that you've done has seeped through. That's okay. That's why we're gonna do the top coat or the other color, so that everything, you know, goes fine. So let's start removing the tape, wherever the tape is. You know, I could have just left it like this if I had done my lines a little bit cleaner like this, but we're gonna go over it. So let's get your painter's tape, and now we're gonna go over the black lines. I'm making sure that definitely my lines are pressed down. All right, so once that's complete, we can start our spray painting. So let's get our white now. Shake that up real good. And let's go. And let's leave that to dry for 5 minutes and we'll be right back. All right, and we're back. It has dried. It has dried. So let's go on and put on another coat. And because this is lighter, as you can see, you can still see the lines from the black that seep through. We may have to do more than 2 coats. Alright guys, so we're back. While I did do on another coat, I did about 3 coats of white. So let's go ahead and remove the tape. I think it's partially dry. Okay, yeah, so here's what our canvas looks like right now. Okay, yeah, so you can see here, you know, like you can see, if you want to, if you're anal about it, you can definitely take just some regular paint and just go over the lines and make it, you know, but I think that's where I'm going to be putting my designs anyway, so I don't necessarily have to do that. So this is what it looks like after all the spray paint is done. See, it's so simple, so cute. All right, next step. Let's go ahead and get our stencil. All right, so I'm gonna be doing a heart. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down there. And then I'm just going to draw out my stencil. Perfect. So with that being done, now I'm going to take my glue. Alright. This is the fun part of DIYs, I guess. Okay. Now let me do it, okay? Thank you. So I want my heart to be precise, so I'm going to take the paintbrush and just paint the glue on. Where I laid out my stencil. Different silver glitters, so I've gone ahead and I put them in a sandwich bag just to mix up everything, and I'm just going to cut a tiny little hole on the end here and just sprinkle it all over my hearts. now that that is on that, just gonna let that sit there for a little bit. Let those hearts dry in place. Let's see if it has set. So what are we just gonna do? I'm just gonna turn this over. Shake off the excess. And there we go. Just shape up around it. You know how that goes. There you go, your very own canvas art. Simple, cute, and very inexpensive. So that's it for today's DIY, people. Canvas art. Thumbs up the video. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys enjoy the video? Did you guys think it was very easy to do? Do you guys like my canvas art? And I'm gonna put it, well, not right there because we're moving, but you know what I mean. But yeah, canvas art under $10, you know. Normally when you go to the store, they're way more than that. So yeah, everything is possible to do by yourself. So that's what I'm here to show you guys to do. So thumbs up again the video if you guys liked my art. Leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts on what we did today. Any other ideas that you guys may have relating to this project, or anything else that you guys want to see that you may want to do, you just don't know how to do it, or that you just want to see done. And again, I told you we're going to be revisiting this project later on in the future, because I do have other canvas art ideas that I want to portray, and I would definitely love to share that with you guys. So thank you guys so much for stopping by my page today, or my channel, and watching this DIY with me. If you do the DIY, please let me see what it is that you did. Send me an email, tag me on Instagram, you know, whatever it is that you have to do, just let me know. Let me see what it is that you guys did. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next DIY. Stay tuned for that. And again, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do, to watch more videos like this. And check out my vlogs if you haven't done that already. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again for stopping by. Bye.